हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आज का हमारा टॉपिक है इलेक्ट्रिक करंट एज अ रेट ऑफ फ्लो ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक चार्जेस. सो व्हाट इज एग्जैक्टली इलेक्ट्रिक करंट, राइट? सो इलेक्ट्रिक करंट इज अ फ्लो ऑफ charges in particular time interval, right? So flow of charges in particular time interval. Okay, so what are the charges here? Charges are of electrons. So whenever electrons are passing through any metallic wire, so flow of charges are passing through cross section of that metallic wire, right? In particular time interval is known as current. Electric current, it is known as. So simply flow of charges from any metallic wire. Metallic wire means they are good conductor, because insulator can't have free electrons, that's why they can't flow electron through them, right? So if we are talking about the formula of current, that is I is equal to Q by T. Charges which are flowing through particular is, for example, if we have this metallic wire and current is flowing through them, so in this particular cross section area, how many charges are flowing in this particular time interval is known as current I, right? Similarly, here we have charge formula, that is N into E. Earlier we discussed electrons are the charges, so I have to write here E. So number of electrons into one electron value is the total charge which is flowing through this cross section area in particular time interval. So by putting this formula here, we get I is equal to Ne upon T. So that's the our current formula, right? Okay. So we had talked about current. Now what is the particular direction of current? So if we have one cell, this is positive terminal and this is negative terminal, so always from cell current conventional direction is from positive and inverse towards the negative. So that's the basic direction of the current, right? So from positive to negative. But if we are talking about flow of electrons, exactly opposite to the current formula, current direction. So if current is direction is in x direction, so electrons flow of direction is negative x direction. Positive x, negative x, both are in opposite direction always. So in the circuit like this is resistance, so current is flowing through positive to negative, right? So this is current direction, but what is the charge direction? Charge direction is exactly opposite to the current direction. So this is charge direction, this is charge direction. So charge is exactly opposite to the flow of current. Okay, right? Okay, now we are talking about unit of our current. So unit 1 ampere is equal to 1 coulomb upon 1 second. So that's the unit. SI unit of current is ampere and the other unit of current is coulomb upon second. So we can derive definition of 1 ampere whenever our charge which is flowing through unit cross section area, which is 1 coulomb, and the time taken to flow of that charge from particular cross section area is 1 second, then current is flowing through that cross section area, that value is 1 ampere, right? So that's the current value 1 ampere definition. Okay, now similarly we have 1 ampere. For smaller multiples we have milliampere. Milliampere means 10 raised to minus 3 ampere. For even smaller value we have 10 raised to minus 6 ampere, right? So these are the smaller values, smaller multiples of our ampere unit, right? So that's our topic, electric current. That's it for today now. Please like and subscribe.